Hebei ShanMeng Machinery Manufacture Company Limited is a high-end hydraulic hammer chisel manufacturing company located in Hebei Provincial Equipment R&D and Manufacturing Base, Handan Southern Hebei Equipment New Town, Shangcheng Industrial Park. The park has beautiful environment and convenient transportation, adjacent to Shijiazhuang, Taiyuan, Jinan, Zhengzhou. Located at the junction of Shanxi, Hebei, Shandong, and Henan provinces, hinterland of Central Plains Economic Zone. The trademark is registered as Montebel. The company has passed ISO 9001 Quantity Management System Certification, CE certification for EU market, CCTV honorary exhibition brand. Hydraulic hammer chisel is a complete set of hydraulic hammer. It is mainly used for mining, demolition, and crushing. Different working environment with different specifications and models for hydraulic hammer chisel. There are mainly conical, mile, H-wedge, V-wedge, piling type, blind type, wide chisel type, forging type, and so on. ShanMeng has a mature quality control system in production process and equipment, high-end and complete production equipment, in order to ensure the chisel and accessories, high hardness, high wear resistance, and long working life. The raw material selection is exquisite, choosing special alloy steel material, using CNC machine from the cutting to the processing. The CNC lathe adopts the latest operating system of GSK, Fenco, and Mitsubishi. Control the product error to the minimum range of standard value. Adopts advanced production technology, imported vacuum quenching furnace, unique heat treatment technology, strict quality control, carry out hardness test, and flaw detection for each product. Make the product quality reach the international advanced level. ShanMeng Company has excellent R&D team, more than 100 relevant technical personnel. The annual R&D investment is nearly 10 million RMB. The company is committed to different series of product development, production, sales, and related technical services with professional technical experience, providing customers with high-quality products, efficient after-sales service. The company maintains years cooperation with many well-known hammer manufacturers and excavator manufacturers in China and abroad. Our products exported to Asia, Middle East, Europe, and America, more than 100 countries and regions. The company is ahead of the scale in the industry. Strive to make chisel products to be the number one in the world. The company insists quality policy of stay owning what others do not have and owning what better than others. Make the product service life longer, more wear resistant. ShanMeng Machinery adheres to quality for survival, integrity for development as the goal, with professional and meticulous, warm and thoughtful, honest service, all customer-oriented enterprise spirit. We will continue to provide high-quality products and services to our regular and new customers. ShanMeng Machinery, discover all of the world.